Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage digital marketing with Moz, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin managing digital marketing with Moz, the first step is to create a Moz account. Visit the Moz website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is set up, log into the Moz dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard and the tools available. Next, establish your website's baseline metrics. Use the Site Exploration tool to input your website URL. Analyze the results to assess your site's performance and identify areas for improvement. After gathering baseline metrics, set clear digital marketing goals. Determine if you want to focus on increasing traffic, improving rankings, or optimizing conversions. Once your goals are set, use the Keyword Explorer tool. Input keywords relevant to your business to find opportunities. Review the keyword suggestions and difficulty scores provided by Moz. Select keywords that align with your goals and have manageable competition. Now, it's time to optimize your website content. Incorporate your chosen keywords into your website's copy, titles, and meta descriptions. Ensure your on-page elements, like headings and images, are also optimized. Following content optimization, set up tracking with Moz tools. Use the rank tracker to monitor your selected keywords over time. Review analytics regularly to gauge your progress toward your goals. Adjust your strategy as needed, based on the data you gather. Utilize Moz Link Explorer to analyze your backlink profile. Identify high-quality sites that link to your competitors and consider outreach. Create a strategy to build relationships and earn backlinks. Lastly, stay updated with industry trends and Moz updates. Join their community forums and follow Moz's blog for insights. Regularly refine your digital marketing approach based on what you learn. With consistent monitoring and adaptation, you will enhance your digital marketing strategy using Moz. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.